Good morning, friends. Praying in restoration, we read Isaiah 58 and verse 12. Those among you shall build the old waste places. You shall raise up the foundations of many generations. Please pray with me. God of restoration, thank you that nothing is beyond repair for you. Father, speak life over broken families, decayed morals, and forgotten dreams. Raise up reformers, leaders, and righteous builders in every sphere. Let justice, mercy, and integrity become the foundation of this nation. Restore hope where despair has reigned and faith where doubt has taken root. May gratitude and worship become the daily rhythm of our people. We declare that South Africa will rise as a testimony of your redeeming power, a nation healed and renewed for generations yet unborn. Lord, for generations to cry out in unity, God is the restorer of the streets and the cities to dwell in. Amen.